This tutorial guides you through configuring container sizes and managing them within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to search for specific container sizes and view their details effectively. Click Container Management to open the Container Management section in the workspace. Click Container Size to access the container size filter options. Enter 20GP as the container size to specify the type of container you want to manage. Click Search to find containers matching the specified size criteria. Click 20GP from the search results to select the container size you want to work with. Click 20GP again to confirm your selection of the container size. Fill the container size field to refine or update the container size information as needed. Click Search to execute the updated search for containers based on the refined size input. Click View to open detailed information about the selected container size. Click Close to exit the Container Details view and return to the Workspace overview.